From oil prices to your savings, the US dollar dictates global financial flows. Discover the story behind its unparalleled, enduring authority worldwide. Its dominance didn't happen overnight. It's a tale woven through historical decisions, economic might, and a strategic, persistent pursuit of global trust. Post-World War II, nations convened at Bretton Woods, laying the groundwork for a new global monetary system, with the dollar at its core. This pivotal agreement pegged other currencies to the dollar, which was, in turn, convertible to gold. This created stability and a reliable foundation. However, the gold convertibility was suspended in 1971, a major shift known as the Nixon shock, freeing the dollar from its gold anchor completely. This decoupling allowed the US to manage its economy more flexibly, but also necessitated finding new pillars to solidify the dollar's global standing. One crucial pillar emerged in the mid-1970s, the petrodollar agreement. Saudi Arabia agreed to price oil in dollars, creating massive demand. Since oil is fundamental to the global economy, countries needing oil had to acquire dollars, locking it into international trade transactions. This established the dollar as the primary currency for denominating global trade, meaning most international transactions are settled in US dollars. The US dollar also serves as the world's primary reserve currency, held in significant quantities by central banks for international payments and stability. Its status as a safe haven asset is another critical factor. During global instability or economic uncertainty, investors flock to the dollar for safety. This unwavering trust is bolstered by the sheer size and strength of the US economy, its deep, liquid financial markets, and innovation. The US Treasury market, for instance, is the world's largest and most liquid bond market, easily absorbing massive amounts of capital. Furthermore, the US dollar's dominance grants significant geopolitical leverage, including the power to impose economic sanctions on other nations. This leverage allows the US to influence international policy and maintain its position in a complex global landscape through financial means. The network effect is also powerful. As more people and institutions use the dollar, it becomes more convenient and valuable for everyone else. It's cheaper for international businesses to operate in dollars, reducing translation costs and simplifying accounting procedures across borders. Furthermore, the US Federal Reserve's monetary policy decisions have a global impact, influencing interest rates and capital flows worldwide. The sheer depth and unparalleled liquidity of US financial markets make it the preferred destination for international investment capital. Countries around the world hold US dollars for international debt obligations, foreign exchange reserves, and as a reliable store of value. The dollar's role in trade financing also cements its position, facilitating international loans and ensuring payment finality for global commerce. This dominance provides significant benefits to the US itself, making borrowing cheaper and attracting foreign investment to fuel its own economy. However, the global landscape is evolving. Concerns about US debt and shifts in global power dynamics are fueling discussions about de-dollarization. Nations are exploring alternatives, like increasing trade in local currencies or exploring digital currencies, to reduce reliance on the US dollar. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, also present a potential shift, offering new ways for countries to manage their monetary systems. Despite these challenges, the dollar's deep infrastructure, trust and inertia mean it is unlikely to be dethroned overnight. Its role in global commodity pricing, particularly oil, ensures its continued relevance as the primary medium of exchange and unit of account. The United States' continued economic influence, technological innovation, and vast financial markets further solidify the dollar's position in the global system. In essence, the US dollar's reign is a product of historical foresight, strategic agreements, immense economic power, and profound global trust. While its dominance may face future challenges, its deep-rooted position and utility make it the linchpin of international finance for the foreseeable future. What do you think the future holds for the dollar's global role? Share your thoughts in the comments below.